15 कोर की भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की। अब मैं सभी
और कैमरामैन तो पता नहीं है यार।
I must tell you all that today is a very important day in which during this very emotive wreath-laying ceremony we have honored all our heroes who participated in 1971 war, including the soldiers and the Kashmiri population who fought alongside to defeat the designs of the enemy. I must also inform you all that it is indeed a very privilege to hold this mashal in this BB camp premises in the Chinar Corps headquarters. While many may not be aware of the fact that Chinar Corps in its many avatars since First World War has fought almost in all conflicts and wars in the as part of the Indian Army. In fact, since 1947, immediately after independence, we have also Chinar Corps has participated in different avatars, as in 62 operations, in 65 operations, in 1971 operations, and also in the Kargil conflict of 1999. It is also important to state here that during this entire period, since the landing of the first forces of Indian Army at the Srinagar airport on 27th October in 1947, the soldiers and the Kashmiri population has fought alongside as one to defeat the designs of the enemy, which are from outside and also from within. And they have achieved great success to ensure the honor, integrity of our country intact. Today is the day in which we honor our brave martyrs, our brave soldiers and the Kashmiri population who sacrificed their lives, especially during the 1971 operations. What is very overwhelming and encouraging was to note that since the time the Swarnim Vijay Mashal had crossed Peer Panjal, this nearly about a month period has seen a very overwhelming response from the local population. People of all walks of life, different age groups, different background have thronged in hundreds and thousands to touch, to pay respect to this honorable, this greatly honored Mashal in this period of his journey through Kashmiri, through the Kashmir Valley. I indeed want to convey my gratitude to one and all who have come together to honor this Mashal, to honor the Swarnim Vijay Mashal through this journey from Valley. I'm very, very grateful to one and all. Thank you so much.
Occasions like such are going to limit this stretching conflict on ground level. I mean, it's necessary.
Okay. Look, I will restrict my responses today. Today's event is very, very honorable, very respectful, and less focus on today on our veterans who are with us, who fought in 1971. You must talk to them. These are brave soldiers while protecting the dignity of our country on the LC. Many of them have got injured, and yet, despite their age, has made it convenient to come and attend this function alongside us. I'm very grateful.